In a quiet Japanese high school, there was a boy named Haruto Tanaka. He was not the strongest or loudest in his class, but he had a rare gift. No matter what happened, he could always keep his cool. One afternoon in the school hallway, Haruto was stopped by two notorious bullies, Kenji and Ryo. Kenji smirked, blocking Haruto's way.
What if I told you that you can create your own anime for free? Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, anime is loved all over the world, and today I'll show you how to make one yourself using AI. And if you watch till the end, you'll even see the anime story I created. So let's get started. First, we need a script. For this, I'm using ChatGPT. Here's the exact prompt I gave to generate my story. Please write me a script for a short moral story about a male student who is bullied at school, but can always keep his cool. On two separate occasions, he was able to help another male and female student who was also being bullied, and he confronted the bullies and told them they were making a great mistake. Make the characters' names in Japanese. Since bullying is something a lot of students experience, I'll be making a short moral story about it, in the style of a heroic anime comic. Step 2. Voiceover. Next, we need a voiceover. For that, I'm using ElevenLabs, which is one of the most human-like AI voice tools out there. I've left a link in the description so you can try it for free. Just pick a voice style, paste your script line by line, click Generate, and download the audio.
In a quiet Japanese high school, there was a boy named Haruto Tanaka. He was not the strongest or loudest in his class, but he had a rare gift. No matter what happened, he could always keep his cool.
Step 3. Images with Leonardo AI. Now comes the exciting part, creating the visuals. I'll be using Leonardo AI to generate anime-style images. You get 150 free credits every day. Just search the anime models, pick one you like, or create your own with Leonardo Vision XL or Leonardo Style. Or if you can't find the same model I'm using, here's another option. Click Create Image, choose the model FluxDev, then select the style Anime General. Set the image dimensions to 16:9 and the number of images to 4. After that, paste your image prompt and hit Generate. Repeat the process until you have all the images you need, then download them to your computer. Step 4. Animation with Pixverse. But still, images alone aren't enough, right? This is where Pixverse comes in. It's the tool that turns your static images into moving anime clips. And the best part? You get free credits when you sign up, plus daily credits after that. Here's exactly how to use it. First, open Pixverse.com and log in using your Gmail account. This will instantly create your account and give you some free credits. Once you're on the home page, click Generate Video. For the model, select V5. This one gives the best results for anime-style motion. Set the duration to 5 seconds. This works perfectly for short anime scenes and saves credits. Next, choose the resolution. If you're planning to upload on YouTube, go for a higher resolution for a sharper look. Now pick your style. Pixverse has different style presets, so choose one that matches your anime's vibe. After setting everything up, upload the image you created with Leonardo AI. In the prompt box, type a short description of the motion or scene you want. Once you're ready, hit Create. After a few seconds, Pixverse will generate your video. When it's done, just click Download, and now your still image is a fully animated anime clip. Do this for every Leonardo AI image, and soon you'll have a full set of animated clips ready for your story. Step 5. Editing with CapCut. Now let's bring everything together in CapCut. Import your Pixverse clips and your ElevenLabs voiceover. Align the clips with the correct voice lines. If a clip is too short, just slow it down a little. This is also where we add speech bubbles. Go to Text, search for bubble speech, and drag it onto your scene. Resize and flip it so it points at the character, then paste in the dialogue from your script. You can copy the bubble for the next clips and just change the lines. Only add bubbles for characters, not for the narrator. Step 6. Subtitles. And finally, let's add subtitles, since a lot of viewers watch without sound. In CapCut, click Text, Auto Captions, Generate. Pick a template you like, and that's it. And there you have it. This anime video is just a sample to show you what's possible with AI. With these tools, you can create even better anime-style videos. The only limit is your imagination. I kept this one simple so you could see the process clearly, but you can add more effects, longer scenes, and of course your own unique story to make it even more amazing. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more tutorials and ways to create and earn online. Thanks for watching.